In today's video, I'm going to be doing some knotless crochet braids on my oldest daughter's hair. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you saw there in the preview, this is going to be a braid video this time on my oldest daughter. Her hair texture is a lot looser than me and Zion's. Her hair is a 3A-ish, 3B-ish type. This is the hair that we are using. I absolutely love this hair. A little bit better than I like the other hair that I use from mine. But this is a number 4. They were out of 2, so I didn't too much care for the color. We usually use the Xpressions here where you have to tip it yourself, but we got the pre-tip. One bag is absolutely enough if you're going to be doing this size. Her hair was freshly washed, and what I'm doing is just detangling it some, and I'm using Blue Magic as well as the Shining Jam in a yellow jar, as you see me always use. But the way I'm going to install these is by plaiting her natural hair. If you're not great at this, you can skip this part and use rubber bands if you want, but we were going for a more natural look, and I did these just kind of like on a whim. No specific parting technique or anything, but you can jagger them, brick them, however you want to do yours. But I just want you to see how I made these look knotless. For those that know, I say can't grip that well, or just can't plait that well, or braid that well, whatever you want to call it. So I hope this helps. I'm just going to let the video play. Watch to the end for the final result. And I hope you guys are enjoying my content. I just wish I can get a little bit more engagement, more comments. I get the likes, but I like the comments, and I don't get that many. I'm not quite sure why. I don't know what I need to improve on. Maybe I give too much information during the video. I don't know, but just something. So I'm going to speed it up just a little bit, just not to bore you with this process here, but I'm doing like 10 at a time, I think, something like that. And I did the ear to ear parting. So I'm going to let the video play, and then we will come back on the end just to do the final reveal. If you're liking what you see thus far, you can hit the subscribe button. Excuse me, I'm just showing you that it's a finger length there. And if you're liking what you see, you can like it. If you think it'll be beneficial, you can share it. And if you think you want it in your playlist, hey, go ahead and put it in there. But this is the technique that I'm going to be using throughout until the end, and the braids does lay quite flat. So go ahead and continue to watch, and I hope you enjoy the music as well. people, this is the end and the final result. You see how flat these are laying on her hair. Her hair is very thick. She did not want them that tight, so that's why they look like that, to try to achieve the most natural look. I do not show when I dip them, but I just had her stand up so you can see the length and just the way they look. Like I said, this number 4 hair is kind of throwing it off just for me, but it was fine for her. Now our natural hair is this color. I prefer the number 2, which is darker, but this is how it looks close up, and there will be a few more clips at the end if you want to stay tuned, but you can flip the braid up, and these will twist on you a little bit, so you have to kind of turn them back around. There's going to be one like right there in the front, like that one. You have to just twist it back around. I just didn't do it, so that's why that one looks like that, but it's fine if you go ahead and just twist it back around, because when you're doing them on other people, I don't know about you, but it's kind of backward for me. I wish I could achieve this style on myself, but my hair is just a little bit too low density to look this full, so I won't be able to do this particular look and have it look right. Thank you for tuning in until the end, those of you that hung around with me. And once again, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button, put it in your playlist, and come on back for more content. I have much more to share. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.